Hello, viewers. Welcome to another episode where we do a little revision on the real number system. This question is on binary operation. So, a binary operation multiplication is defined on the set of real numbers by m times n. Should be defined as mn minus n minus 2m, where m and n belong to a real number. So if 5 times x is 22, we have to find what the value of x is. This is simple. We have to remember that the multiplication is defined by mn and 2m. That simply means that if I have 5 times x, it will be 5 times x, right? Minus x, which is the second term, then minus 2m. What is the m? The m is 5, so we have 5. And this value should be equal to 22. That is what we have here. This value is 22. So now we can be able to compute this and have 5x minus x. That will give us 4x, right? If you check that, then this is going to be 2 times 5. That will be 10, but there's a minus there, so minus 10 equals to 22. Do we see that this is negative, can be transferred to the other side to give us 4x equals to 22 plus 10. We can go on to say that 22 plus 10 is 32, right? And that will mean that your 4x divided by 4, 32 divided by 4. We want to find x, so we divide by the coefficient. That will mean x will be equals to 8, meaning the value of x that we are looking for will just be 8. That means if you take 5 times 8, define on this, if you do it, your answer will be 22. That's the meaning. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment. Bye-bye.